G'day Freo. I know you've heard a lot about FOGO, but what is it? Why is it happening? And how can you make sure you put the right thing in the right bin? Well, I'm here to help. This is the new green lid FOGO bin. FOGO stands for Food Organics, Garden Organics, and it describes what can go in here. The thing to remember is that if it didn't grow, then it doesn't go in FOGO, natural items only. Prunings from the garden are perfect, as well as lawn clippings. Even kitty litter and dog poo can go in. And of course, all of your food scraps. This handy kitchen caddy also comes with your FOGO bin, and it's great for kitchen scraps. But make sure you use the compostable bags that are provided with it because they completely break down. Or you can line the caddy with newspaper or simply put the scraps straight into your FOGO bin. FOGO will be picked up every week and its contents will be taken to a large-scale composting facility. Trials have shown that more than half of residential general waste is FOGO, so we can prevent that amount going to landfill through this new bin system and also dramatically cut down on methane, a potent greenhouse gas, which is produced by the breakdown of trapped organic material in landfill sites. By collecting nutrient-rich food waste, along with garden waste, in the new FOGO bin, we can generate compost to use on farms, parks and gardens and avoid organic waste going to landfill. Your trusty yellow lid recycling bin will operate as normal and continue to be picked up every 2 weeks. Now, it might feel good to fill up your recycling bin, but what makes more of an impact is to stop and think about the amount of packaging you're bringing home in the first place. That said, what can go into the recycling? It's important to remember that if your recycling is bagged, then it cannot be processed and instead will end up in landfill. What a waste! So place items in loosely, and this includes clean and empty glass, plastic containers and plastic bottles with lids removed, aluminium cans and steel cans, paper and cardboard, but not shredded paper, paper towel or pizza boxes. These can go in FOGO. Okay, what shouldn't go in your yellow lid recycling bin? Plastic bags and plastic film. Nappies? Seriously, people do it. Meat trays and polystyrene. Clothes and textiles. Gas bottles and aerosol cans. Electronic waste and batteries. Ropes, cables and hoses. There's other options for a lot of these materials. For example, soft plastics, including plastic bags, can be taken back to some local supermarkets for recycling. And things like gas bottles, batteries, paint, and even old clothes can be taken to the awesome Fremantle Recycling Centre on Montreal Street, if you're a Freo resident. Okay, so what's left after FOGO and recycling goes in the little red lid general waste bin. The red lid general waste bin will be picked up in the alternative fortnight to the yellow lid recycling bin and taken to landfill. This bin is a lot smaller because we know that through the FOGO and recycling bins, we can divert most of our waste from landfill. This new 3-bin system is going to make a huge difference that we can all be proud of. Reducing methane emissions, which contributes to climate change, decreasing landfill, saving on waste management costs, and producing compost that can be put to good use. Okay, Freo, let's go FOGO. For more information, go to fremantle.wa.gov.au/FOGO.